If you want to blur part of a video in CapCut on your iPhone or Android, here's the easiest step-by-step way to blur any area in CapCut. So for that, we just have to open up our CapCut, then tap on New Project. Now select the video you just want to edit and tap Add to bring it to the timeline. Now we just have to select our video, then go to Effects. Then choose Video Effects, and here you can see the blur effects. But if you can't see it here, you have to search for blur, and here we'll get a lot of blur effects available. So I just apply one thing which is on my trending section, and when I choose this, we have to apply this, and now this blur applies to the entire video, not a specific area. So instead we will use the professional method. We just have to go to overlay, then add overlay, and then we have to select the same video again and add it as an overlay. Now you will see the duplicate video placed on top of your original clip. Now we just have to resize and align it so it perfectly matches the main video frame. And now we have to select the overlay clip and swipe left and tap on mask. So here we'll see different shapes, circle, rectangle, and many more things. Now we just have to choose the shape that matches the area you just wanna blur. For example, for my case, I have to choose the rectangle for blur this. So when I choose this, we have to invert it. So why we invert? Because instead of blurring the whole screen, we blur only the selected area. So then we have to resize and position the mask exactly where you just want the blur. Now you will see the blur applied only to that part of the video. And now we just have to play this part. But in your case, if the object or the person moves, the blur won't follow automatically. So in that case, we need to add keyframes and move the playhead to where the movement starts. Now tap the keyframe icon and adjust the mask position, move forward in the timeline, and reposition the mask again. So this way you have to repeat this whenever the subject moves, and CapCut will smoothly animate the blur between keyframes. And now when you're okay, just go for export, and when the video exported perfectly, go to Photos, and see your video is blurred successfully and smoothly. And that's how you blur a part of a video in CapCut using the professional method. Thanks for watching.